Gypsum blocks are straightforward because of the many benefits that they provide as a system in the construction of internal and external walls. They are suitable for efficiently creating high-quality rooms in residential and commercial buildings. Experts call it solid drywall. Solid because of the 100% mineral gypsum blocks, which are up to 100 mm thick and solid all the way through. No studding required. Dry because gypsum bonding compounds are all you need to bind them together, and their surface is ready in no time at all. Gypsum blocks are a combination of the best parts of robust, solid construction and lightweight drywall. It's the most economic form of modern room construction. The effective sound insulation and relatively lightweight wall structures are particularly welcome in domestic construction. Easy to work with, no fuss, and not unnecessarily complicated. This is mostly due to the fact that the walls can be reliably built with just a handful of components: the blocks themselves and gypsum-based system components. Gypsum blocks are easy to integrate into any stage of the construction process. They work well with air conditioning, ventilation, heating, and electrical systems. The gypsum is solid, but easy to work with, and is quick to adapt to any kind of basic or detailed assembly work. One thing that gypsum blocks have no time for is waiting for the right weather. Using hydrophobic blocks or hydrofooting means that you don't have to rely on weather when building walls. This means that the internal fit-out can be started before the building envelope is closed in, allowing the building program to be shortened. And finally, because the walls aren't plastered, all of the work stays on site. Gypsum blocks allows maximum space utilization, slim structures, more floor space, higher returns, lightweight construction with simplified structural analysis, outstanding performance in terms of sound insulation, fire protection, and stability. The blocks are not challenging for users and do not require a great deal of specialist knowledge from service technicians. The surface and cross-section of each wall have the same properties. Even heavy bracket loads can be fixed with standard dowels. They are also extremely easy to repair. Fillers integrate completely into the component, and gypsum smoothers adapt surfaces perfectly. Wall openings can also be rearranged everywhere at any time, and existing door openings are easy to expand. Effective fire protection with gypsum blocks is based on the following assumption: the more solid the wall, the less risk there is for components, lines, and installations. It is also true that gypsum blocks are perfectly suited for shaft walls. No need for special designs and lengthy work to access the difficult-to-reach interiors. Seal shafts properly and enclose them for fire protection purposes. Also use blocks as a fire-resistant cladding for wood and steel columns. Gypsum blocks not only meet the functional requirements for modern construction materials, but also society's modern demand for resource-efficient and sustainable construction. This includes minimizing CO2 emissions during the manufacturing process, conserving gypsum resources, using secondary raw materials, and recycling as much of the gypsum as possible at the end of the block's service life. It is also important to say that gypsum blocks nor any gypsum-based or construction-related system components contain any worrying harmful substances, like drywall, when burnt, releases toxic, harmful gases. Gypsum blocks are the best choice for your construction.